Let's go to Brampton G test route today. Come on, let's go. Let's go to Brampton G test route and we'll park here and we'll take it out from here. And if somebody is backing out, going front, just wait for them. And yeah, don't bother other people. Yeah, okay, we'll go out from here. Take a right, look around, no one is coming. And from this stop sign, we'll take a left. They don't ask any parallel parking, 3-point turn in G test. If somebody's coming out, let them go. Yeah, no one is coming. Both side, anyone coming? No. And then we go out from here, take left, look around. See, there's one small street coming from the side. Just have a look around there too. And from the stop sign, we will take a left from the stop sign. On this stop sign, just make sure you stop it completely before the line, and then you can't see everywhere, look everywhere, and yeah, no one is coming. Then take to the first lane here, and then mirror signal blind spot and change lane to right. Not come straight to this lane. And then red light, stop here, look around everywhere. No one is coming. Light is going to green soon. Yep, it's green. Look around. Mirror signal blind spot, we'll take a right here. Then the exam will tell you take a right on the Steels Avenue. We will take a right here. Light is red. First slow down. It's a yield sign here. First of all, let's see anyone coming there. No one coming. You can take a right. Yeah, you go to first lane here. Then examiner will tell you when it's safe to do so. Change it to left. Mirror signal blind spot. Then change lane to left. Speed limit is 70 here on Steels Avenue. Then we'll take 410 north. Look around, look both sides. Once you're passing through the intersection, we'll go to 410 north. Yep. Take a right here, 410 north. And speed limit is written 30 here on the yellow board. Yellow board is speed limit is not exact speed limit. You can go between 30 and 40 and go smoothly into the curve. Don't touch a white line, don't touch a yellow line. Go smoothly here. Yeah, and on the highway speed limit is 100 on the 410. Let's speed up. Up, go to 100 as soon as possible. Between 90 and 100 is okay. So whenever you speed up, yeah, I'm out 90 now. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to left and merge into the highway. Then examiner will tell you when it's safe to do so, change it to left and come back to the right lane. When it's safe to do so, mirror signal blind spot, go to left lane. When it's safe to do so, change back to right. Mirror signal blind spot, MSB. Check and come back to the right lane. And don't exceed speed limit. Speed limit is 100. And then they will tell you they will take exit from the next exit. Let's say Clark Boulevard. They will take you exit there. To Clark Boulevard, and when see this thick line, give indicator. Yeah, you can start slowing down. Once you cars start going out, then you can start slowing down. and from the next traffic light we will take left. So when you're going left, just make sure you keep in the middle lane, so that will be easy to come back to the highway again. So when you take a left here, just stand at the white line, complete stop, look around both sides, look everywhere. When you're standing here, just make sure you keep on looking everywhere. Don't just keep on looking at the light. Look on the light, see light is turned to yellow now. Yeah, now our tail light is going to change to green. Like, look around everywhere and then take left. Go straight to the second lane here. Second lane to second lane, straight. Okay, then the examiner will tell you to take 410 south. Yeah, next traffic light, go right, and there's a highway again. We take a right here. So light is green, we can go right here. Green, we can take a right. Again, it's a curve, and speed limit is 30 here. 30 is not a limit; it's a just a suggested speed limit, 30 kilometer, and you can go 30, 40, something like that. Keep in the middle of the lanes, speed up, and go to 100. This side there's no merging, but still you have to merge. Because any examiner is going to tell you change lane after that. So whenever you reach up to 100, look back, mirror, signal, blind spot. Yes, I can merge safely. Merge here. Yes, good. Then examiner will tell you when it's safe to do so, change back to right. It's not safe right now if somebody is speeding behind me too fast. Yeah, let him go. Yes, and then mirror, signal, blind spot again. Yep, and I come back to the right lane. So don't rush to change lane. We have to make sure you see mirror, signal, blind spot, like somebody is speeding behind you or not, right? So the examiner want to see the safety, whether you can see the safety or not. That's the most important thing. Then they will tell you to take exit from the Steels Avenue. We don't slow down here yet because it's still highway. And when you start going out, then put the right indicator, then start slowing down. Don't slow down on the highway. Yeah, now start slowing down here, and I will take a right from the Steels Avenue. Keep in this lane, again change it to right again here. So light is red. First thing is we have to go and stop there. No matter what, red light, stop your car. Red light, stop your car here. Complete stop. And then go further. See anyone coming? No one coming. I can take a right. Yeah. So then the examiner will tell you the speed limit is 70 here on that. The examiner will not tell you that. So it says 70. And then the examiner will tell you when it's safe to do so, change it to left. Mirror, signal, blind spot, I change it to left. When the examiner will tell you, like when it's safe to do so, change lane to left. So it's not safe right now, one car is behind me. So then I will again change, mirror, signal, blind spot, and then change again here. So always see the safety, don't rush to change lane. Examiner told you to change lane, not like that. Let's look around, look on the both sides in the intersection. Intersection is approaching, look both sides there too. Don't go through the intersection without checking, just have a look around everywhere in the intersection. And the next traffic light we will take left. Go to left lane, leftmost lane here. Yeah. See somebody's cutting in front of you, no problem, that's fine. Give them a space also. This is like a left arrow, we can go left safely. Yeah, we can go left, that's okay. And then you take left here, go to the first lane, and then make sure change it to right. See, certain here 60 km/h, and a certain there 40 when flashing. When it's not flashing, it's 60. When it's flashing, it's 40. So right now it's not flashing, it's 60 speed limit here. So then the examiner can tell you, whenever you feel safe, change it to left, and we'll take a left on the first traffic light. Change it to left, check mirror signal blind spot, then we'll take a left on the first traffic light. Light is green, but the truck is turning, no problem to give the truck the space. And we can, this car is coming, but that's too far, so we can safely turn here, go to the first lane, and then again change it to right. And speed limit is 50 here, and it's written there 40 when flashing. If it's not flashing, it's 50. So don't exceed speed limit here. It's 50 here right now, it's not flashing, so it's 50. Our speed limit is below 50. And you safe to do so, change into left. So it's written there 40 flashing ends, 50 start. If they're not flashing, it's 50 all the way. And from the second entrance, they will tell you take a left. Take a left here, left indicator. Look, anyone coming? That car is still far. I can safely turn. And whenever you turn here, after that, so many people think that they drove very good and they miss these stop signs. Don't miss any stop sign. Even if you're driving so good earlier, still you have to make sure you stop the stop sign completely. Yeah, and then next stop sign we will take right from the next stop sign, completely stop. We'll check both sides and then go this side here, and then examiner will tell you to park anywhere on the right side or left side. They'll ask only straight parking, no back parking. And congratulations, you meet the ministry standard and you pass your test. If you follow this way, you'll pass your test for sure. Best of luck for your test. I hope this video is going to help you to pass your test. If you have any question about the test route or any question about the driving, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. My name is Chawla.